You can install the Knots Parsing app in only 2 minutes following these easy steps. Go to the Zendesk Marketplace and search for Parser. Click on the app and then on the button Install. Select your Zendesk account. You will be transferred to your Zendesk instance. By clicking Install, the Knots app will be added to your navigation. And done! The Ticket Parser will appear under Zendesk Support Apps. On your agent workspace, look for the K sign on the left side. If you're not registered at Knots, you'll need to create an account. No worries, this only takes a few clicks. Just remember to use a valid email address. Select the subscription and click on Purchase Now. Remember to check the box that you have read the terms and conditions. You have 14 days to try our product for free. Let's get now to the most interesting part, how to set the ticket parser in no time. On the upper right part, click on the Create a Trigger button. Here you can select the fields you want the information to be parsed, and add a specific tag for routine and internal purposes. In this example, we will add a custom text field where the order ID will be stored after it is extracted from the ticket content. Now, let's include the pattern for our app to look for. Our team prepared some examples of regular expressions. If you need any assistance, you can contact us on our website, and we'll be happy to get you fixed. You can test the string to verify the regular expressions are correct. It's also possible to replace specific characters to standardize the results. For example, some customers include a dash in the order ID, but your agents need to replace it with a dot. You can have multiple replacements and search for multiple patterns through the same trigger. Once you're done, click on Create. And remember to activate it. Congratulations! You're all set. Now let's make a test. A client is now writing you a message. Knots Parsing middleware searches immediately for the info in the ticket based on the pattern. There's no need for extra manual work. Now let's look for our ticket. And here you have it. The information was extracted directly from the email body and upgraded directly into a custom field. Keep your team focused on the tasks that matter.